So the tool we have here is a 3585 with a 99-5010 nose. The parts are as follows. You have the anvil, collet, lock ring, split ring, sleeve, and a snap ring. So first, we're going to slide the lock ring over to the collet, like that. Then we will slide the collet on and thread it down the piston. As we're threading it, we're going to pay attention that there's several grooves on here. One is this timing groove here. As we thread this collet down, we want to make sure that that completely disappears and lines up with the front of the cylinder. Also, we have lock grooves on the front of the piston, and we're going to make sure that this ball lock falls into that groove. So we continue threading it on. We'll see we have this, the groove on the collet is disappearing and lining up with the cylinder, which it has. Make sure that this ball lock falls into one of the timing grooves, which you'll see it's popping up and down. So once it's down, that means it's in. That's when we slide the lock ring down. The next step, we're going to slide the anvil over the collet. For the next step, we will push onto the anvil and place our split rings over top. In some instances, you may have some issue getting the split rings on because there'll be like a gap here. What you may have to do is attach the tool to a rig and cycle it and make sure that the piston is in the full forward position. This way you can get your split rings on easier. Once your split rings are on, you can slide the sleeve down over the split rings. And then for the final step, you'll see there's a groove for the snap ring. We'll take a good pair of snap ring pliers and we'll get them installed. Once you slide it on, you want to push it down and make sure it snaps into place.